steering system will be having a steering device called Helm. In all Mac-N-Hom make manual hydraulic steering systems, we supply Helm pumps with 80cc or 50cc discharge. That means once there will be a compact reservoir will be there, it will be filled with oil, and whenever someone turns this steering wheel, the oil will either come through this port or this port. Whenever oil flows to this port can receive oil from the system or the cylinders. This is the Helm pump we are providing, and this is the compact reservoir. And whenever you are installing, we are giving more importance to the installation of this system in a vessel. Whenever you are installing, what we advise you or recommend you is the gap between the dashboard end surface and the wheel backside should be 50 mm. That means almost 2 inches. It should be, and you can see now presently we have set it at 50 mm, almost 50 mm, this kind of gap, so that the hand will be very free. Even if when you are rotating, if the hand comes down, it won't interfere with the dashboard front plate. And we have a steering wheel, wooden steering wheel. It is made out of anjali wood. It is polished, well carved, and it's normally 99% of the vessels will use hand steering wheel of wood, so that whenever even the atmosphere gets heats up, normally stainless steel wheels will become hot and it will be difficult to hold them. In wooden wheel, it will be very user friendly, body friendly, and skin friendly, so that normally wooden steering wheels are used in Mac-N-Hom make hydraulic steering system. Once the customer insists he needs a stainless steel steering wheel, we will provide that also, whatever be the diameter. The wheel you are seeing it here is the 27 inch. We have provided a template for you so that the steering wheel gap with the dashboard is maintained at 50 mm, and very simply you can drill it, because once you are marking the center line of the dashboard, you just keep the plate there with a blue edge on the front end, and you can just directly drill the 4 holes to the wooden or metal surface. We will show you how you are marking that and drilling, and after that with this drill there, how we are fixing that component. Have fixed this Helm pump assembly on the dashboard, and the next step will be to fix that wooden steering wheel on the Helm pump shaft. That means this is the transmission shaft. It has a keyway on one side and a spline on the other. But before fixing it on the steering wheel on this steering shaft, we have to prepare the steering wheel first. We have already provided this wheel with a metal hub. You can see the metal hub there, and you can open this center one with a 11-12 spanner. I will show you. Once you remove this center cap, you can see a female keyway there, keyway on the back side of this one. This is the backup plate we are providing so that these nuts won't crave into the wood. So we have given a stainless steel backup plate here, and then you can see a female key there, and you can and care should also be taken to keep this glued tape always there so that the keyway won't be lost. And and then there is a thread there, and we have to put this washer and this nut there inside. Once it is located in the thread, just locate it with your finger, and you can tighten this one with a 27 box spanner. Two things we have taken care in the design: the metallic surface of this shaft, that transmission shaft, won't be touching this steel part of the steering, so that it can be rotated very easily. There won't be any rubbing here, and also the gap between this bracket fixed wheelhouse base and the steering will be 50 mm. You can put this nameplate. Steering wheel is fixed on the transmission shaft. The next step is to pour oil into this compact reservoir. We have to open this filler breather. We can open it and just pour in. You can see once the levels are down, you can fill in the oil to the top. This is called top up of the oil. Once in a month or once in 2 months, whenever the driver feels that the oil has come down, you can pour in oil like this. System is now ready for use. Our system can be connected to the that cylinder area now with hoses and other things. But before that, you have to check whether the whole system is okay or not. Once it is rotating to the clockwise, the oil should flow to the one of the connectors, and when you are rotating to the anti-clockwise, it should come to the other side. You can see it here. Now when I am rotating this, you see it comes from this side. When you are operating to the anti-clockwise, the oil will be flowing to the other side, and this time from the system the oil can flow into the system through this point. So the Helm pump has 4 ports. 2 ports we are connecting to the reservoir and air venting system, self air venting system, and the other 2 lines are towards the system. This is L and R. This is for clockwise and anti-clockwise rotations. According to the rotation of the steering, the oil will flow in both directions.